A schematic diagram is a blueprint of the electrical components within a system. Schematic diagrams include a diagram, notes, and a legend. See the picture to the right for an example of schematic diagram. Schematic diagrams can be used to see components in a circuit, and see how components are wired. A schematic diagram shows the wiring of each component in the circuit. Schematic diagrams are very useful when you are troubleshooting or wiring a circuit. The best place to start when reading a schematic diagram is with the legend. The legend will explain what some symbols on the schematic diagram mean. For example, look at the schematic diagram to the right. You can see that there are abbreviations on the diagram like CONT, CAP, and CH. Without reading the legend, you cannot understand the abbreviations and the components of the circuit. After you read the legend, it is important to read the notes section of the diagram. The notes section can have important information about the circuit. For example, the notes section may have a note about the crankcase heater, CH, on a schematic diagram. The notes may say something like CH not used on all diagrams. If you did not read the notes, you may have an incorrect understanding of the circuit. The CH may not be present. The next step is to look at the diagram on the schematic. Each symbol on the diagram represents a component within the circuit. The lines running between each component represent a wire.